Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you how to add some different styling to these fonts right here, right in the top, your headlines. Normally, you would see a logo up here, but right now we don't have a logo, and maybe you won't have one either. Well, there's a post for that. So we got 10 fun fonts to try for your blog logo area or header area. Now this one is Amanda A. wrote this site right on the DIY themes. So we're just going to go ahead and follow her tutorial. I'm going to show you the visual of actually getting it done. So once you read through it, you kind of give it a skim over. Basically, it talks about changing the font. She gives us 10 options here to pick from to play with. I guess you can do more if you want to. There's over 500 in the Google API fonts, and that's what these are. These are going to be pulled from Google. So we're going to be using a JavaScript and a little CSS. So let's go ahead and Love You Like a Rock Sister. Or Love You Like a Sister. I don't even know where I got the rock from. Yeah, well. So we'll grab that one. Like I said, there's 10 here you can check out. Step 1, go to the Google Web Fonts site. There's a little link there. Boom. Google Web Fonts site. Click on the, search the one you want. So we've got a search right here on the left side. Love You Like a Sister. Drop it in. Grumpy wizards make toxic brew for the evil Quick and Jack. Cool beans. Alright, so we've got the quick use. Step 2, grab the quick use. Alright, so this one's got the page load kind of in the yellow. Maybe we want to back it down. Let's try something else. Alright, something that we can tell the difference with. Nah, we'll keep it. Let's go ahead and be bold. Alright, so what's the next step? A lot of scrolling. Scroll down a bit and add this code to your website box. Copy the code you see in there. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down. Boom. Add this code to your website. Link, fonts, style sheet. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what that does. We got standard, import, and JavaScript. Something tells me I might want to grab the JavaScript. I'll tell you why. Dashboard, Thesis, site options. That's where the next step tells us to go. I read through it once already here. Additional scripts. I say it because it wants us to go to the additional scripts. If you need to add scripts to your document head, you should enter them in the box below. However, stat tracking. So let's go ahead and just paste that in there. Because initially, that's what the tutorial says, right? I'm not calling it out, I'm just letting, this is why some of these tutorials and other written out tutorials can be confusing if you don't have that visual. That's exactly why I'm making these things here, just to see what's up. Alright, so in a separate browser, log in your WordPress admin, additional scripts, paste the code. Just paste it immediately after any code that's in there. Hit the save button. Alright. So again, we just pasted the standard HTML, so let's see what happens. Save. We can see if we'll blow up the site or not. Scroll down. Now we need to add this code to our custom file editor. Custom file editor in your blog dashboard. Let's see here. It's working with the header, so I'll put it up top. Now we don't hit the save right after we add that. We want to grab some CSS code, which is on the Google page. Return to Google Web Fonts. Should still have it open. Don't close out Web Fonts. Alright, so we're going to go here. Integrate your fonts into your CSS. Add the font name to your class. So let's go ahead and copy. We're going to paste that in between the open and closing tags. We'll just leave that there. Hit the save button. Go back to your file, paste it, hit the save button, check out your new font. Just one warning, the right logo font will totally set the tone of your... okay, little tip there. Cross fingers. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, and go back here and take this script text and see what happens. Now remember, like I said, this is we got a couple tabs here. The first one would have been standard. Now, I didn't know any different because I wasn't told to, right? This is what happens when we're do-it-yourselfers and we're learning the stuff as we go too. That's why outsourcing is a good thing to do, but it's a good idea to just get familiar with it. Okay, enough of that. So we're going to go back, if you remember, into the dashboard. We're going to go to our site options, additional scripts. All right, expand that out. Select all, paste that in there, save, and check out the site. And nothing. F5 possibly? There we go. F5 refreshed. Maybe I should have done it on the other one. I don't know. All right, cool. So now it changed it. Boom. It's got a little wiggly wobbly there. Just to test, because I didn't hit the F5 button to refresh the page. Let's go back. Dashboard. We're going to go to Thesis, Site Options. No, we don't want that one. We want this one. Go ahead and delete that. Control V. Save. See, when you view your site, you would think it kind of refreshes it, but nope. F5 to refresh, and it still works. So I'm going to pull up Internet Explorer, go to serpcontest.com/blog. And that is what there we go. See, it kind of loads it. You see how it grabbed it and loaded it? Okay, so that code does work the first time. So I guess you can either use the JavaScript or the first code that you see here. But did you notice when it loaded, it took a second to load? So it definitely, you can see the boom, 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 boom. It's pulling it right from the Google server. So there you go. That's what you have. That's how you add it. If that's something you're looking to do, whammy, you got that done. There's the tutorial. We got the links for you. Enjoy, have fun, and continue on playing with your Thesis theme. If you don't have Thesis yet, buy Thesis. It's an awesome blogging platform. It's premium. So, if you're going into the blogging world for long term or you need something for your site, get it. Nothing else will beat it. It's pretty good.